Hello everyone, in this video we're going to be checking out the best 5 models you can buy this year. We made this list after doing hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, users' opinions, and more. You can be sure you'll be buying one of the best tools available today. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Overall, mechanical pencils are extremely light and easy to use than standard pencils. They also have very few moving parts and lifespan. Check out the 7 best mechanical pencils for writing. Number 1, most popular. Pentel GraphGear 1000 mechanical pencil for writing. Pentel is undoubtedly one of the trustful brands of mechanical pencils. This high-end pencil features with dual-action retractor ensuring flexibility yet retract pencil tips. Pentel GraphGear 1000 also comes with a lead hardness indicator which assists you to find out the type of lead inside the pencil. With 4 available line sizes and colors, this mechanical pencil is a sleek, solid design bringing heavy metal feel with sturdy construction. It is perfectly combined with Pentel Super High Polymer, which never needs to be sharpening and produces an advanced dark line. Number 2. MozArt supplies mechanical pencil for writing. If you don't know what lead is the best suitable for you, this essential set of mechanical pencils will not let you down. Including 4 ranges of refillable leads from 0.3 mm to 0.9 mm, this pack is designed for everyday uses with multiple activities that working versatility on all types of papers. MozArt also features 30x4 pieces of HB lead for each lead size as well as 4 eraser refills, which are extremely valuable. Besides that, you would be satisfied with non-slip grips with ergonomic comfort. Number 3. Cross-Century Chrome .7 mm mechanical pencil for writing. Coming from a classic century collection of Cross with a spirit of entrepreneurship in mind, Cross-Century Chrome pencil features a shine chrome-plated cover bringing with a premium gift box. Plus, it features a twist-action propel and works well even for people with a small hand. With signature looks, this mechanical pencil is an excellent gift not only for your friends but also for yourself. The iconic slim silhouette shines brightly in a polished chrome-plated finish. Cross offers nibs in 2 widths, medium and fine. Number 4. Unicore mechanical pencil for writing. Made in Japan, this pencil is a high-tech product with an outstanding gunmetal body design. The most innovative part of this pencil is the rotating lead mechanism, which keeps the lead always sharp without breakage. This means that every time you lifted off this pencil from the pages, the lead inside would automatically rotate. The writing with Kuru Toga is also safe and consistent due to the clear plastic grip and retractable tip. The metal grip is designed as a center of gravity enabling comfortable and balance when holding. Number 5. Rite in the Rain all-weather mechanical pencil for writing. This mechanical pencil barrel is made of polymeric resin, which is perfect for outdoor working conditions. Moreover, the tip is featured with flex technology preventing the lead from falling out or breaking while you are working. Different from most of the mechanical pencils on market, Rite in the Rain all-weather mechanical pencil has a 1.1 mm lead giving bold line size with a package of 7 leads and 2 extra erasers. Patented tip expands so lead won't break, wobble, twist, or fall out when taking field notes. Number 6. WSD mechanical pencil for writing. This aesthetic look pencil comes with special magnetic ring control that allows you to twist and slide on the exterior in order to advance the lead. This provides perfectly smooth advancing lead action and saves time. Made of aviation aluminum, this pencil provides soft touching and features the ability to change the color of refillable leads. Furthermore, if you search for heavy-duty sketching and drawing, this 2mm lead creates a smooth thick line that equates to a 2B. Number 7. Staedtler Mars 780 Technical Mechanical Pencil for Writing. The most unique feature of this pencil is that it provides a push-button sharpener. This allows you to maintain precise and consistent lines for a prolonged time when you are writing. It also comes with a knurled metal finger grip which increases balance for holding and prevents any fatigue. You don't have to worry about uneven writing and drawing, while other mechanical pencil points frequently get less and less sharp. This mechanical pencil also has a retractable tip and pocket trip for extra comfort.
Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for future updates.